Do you want to know how to treat and cure hormonal imbalances from the very root cause up together with every symptom? Because only when the very root cause of hormonal imbalances is treated and cured, the root cause together with every disease symptom of our hormonal imbalances is treated and cured. Now, welcome to this video. I am Tom Nuyens from the AliveAcademy.com. And after having survived a life-threatening disease when I was 8 years old, and after having studied physical and psychological health, I've created this channel to give clarity between the connection of a mental or physical disease symptom and the actual root cause. So the root cause together with every current or future symptom can be cured. If you want to treat our hormonal imbalances, we first must understand what hormones actually are. Well, hormones are chemical substances that affect the activity of another part of the body. So in essence, hormones serve as messengers controlling and coordinating activities throughout our body. Now, these messengers have to be able to get into our cells in order to make our body function properly. The problem with most people is that our hormones do not get into our cells. And do you know what happens when our hormones do not get into our cells? Then our cells send a message to our brain that they didn't get any hormones into their cell, and our brain will then secrete more hormones into our bloodstream with the intention to get into our cells. But again, they still do not get into our cells. So more and more hormones will be secreted into our bloodstream without ever getting into our cells, causing more and more hormonal imbalances. Now, do you know what the root cause is? Why hormones do not get into our cells? Because there's only one way to get hormones into our cells. And do you know how? Well, our cells need electrical conductivity to be able to absorb hormones into our cells. Now, how can we create electrical conductivity to be able to absorb hormones into our cells? Well, by drinking source mineral water with essential electrolytes like sodium chloride, potassium, calcium, and magnesium in the ratio that nature provides it from its source. As soon as our cells are able to absorb the necessary hormones again, and when we drink essential source mineral water without any taste or flavor added, our bodily functions get coherent messages again, how to function properly, which will make our hormones and bring our body functions back into homeostasis or back into balance. Now, the only thing we need to do is to provide our body with sufficient source mineral water with the essential electrolytes, and nature itself will bring our body and hormones back into balance. Note when we drink plain water or water with a taste or flavor added, like soft drinks, coffee, tea, our body doesn't recognize it as water with electrolytes, which will prevent our electrical cell conductivity. So make sure to drink just source mineral water with the essential electrolytes already included from a source like a natural river. If you want to know how much and what kind of source mineral water you can drink to let nature itself bring your body back into homeostasis, click here or at the end of this video. Now that you know how you can let nature itself cure your physical root cause of your hormonal imbalances, and before I want to address the psychological root cause, I'm curious if you like this video so far. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones so many other people can benefit from these very powerful insights as well. Another root cause of not being able to send coherent messages throughout our body resulting in imbalances is chronic cramping or blocking of our body due to chronic stress. Now let's check how cramped or tensed are your shoulders or neck right now. You feel it? Well, this chronic stress is the result of having suppressed unsolved issues that we all learn to accumulate instead of to flush out from the very root up. The great news is that there is a way to solve the root cause of all of our unsolved fear, of our pain, of our unworthiness, of our restlessness and consequential diseases or imbalances, and that once and for all, and without having to relive nor to suppress it ever again. Click here so I can send you the 4 free fundamental videos to break free once and for all. Now enjoy bringing yourself back into balance, both physiologically and psychologically, as the fundamental base of the intended vibrant and abundant healthy life that you are actually born for. I will see you in the videos.